As a teacher, you will be playing in the key of G flat, 1 chord, 6, 2, and 5 chord as a sequence. Now it's time to do four-hand duet with your student. Now you're going to play 1, 6, 4, 5 progression twice as an introduction. Here we go. So as you can see, it's like a magic. No matter what the student plays on the black key, as long as you keep the same sequence over and over, it's just that the music happens by itself. How about just playing C major scale? See what happens. Backwards. Wow, you already made up a new song. Let's do the same thing, but let's start from E, the third note of the scale. Good job. How about changing the rhythm? So ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 go. Once the student is pretty comfortable playing the piano, the next step is harmonization. Use a simple melody like light re-row to harmonize using chord 1 and 5 and maybe 4. You can also start introducing them about the concept of inversions. To be able to improvise, you need to be able to transpose to different keys. So using the same simple melody of light re-row, it's time for you to show them how to transpose to another key. How about in the key of D? How about E? How about A? How about F sharp major? Now it's time for you to show your students how to use different patterns of accompaniment. You can show them by simple pattern and onto a little bit more difficult arpeggios, and eventually you can go wild with different styles of music like blues. It's fun.